Episode 5. Ghosts in the Grid. Neo-Accra was dying, not with fire, not with war, but with silence. The city's great neon towers flickered against the night sky. Their once endless streams of advertisements, now replaced by corrupted symbols and fragments of broken code. Hover traffic drifted aimlessly above the streets as automated systems lost synchronization. Entire districts vanished into darkness one block at a time. And somewhere beneath it all, B.U.G was spreading. Inside the collapsing archive, Jay struggled to keep his footing as the digital cathedral fractured around him.
Nima grabbed his arm. We have to disconnect. Now.
Above them, the colossal form of B.U.G continued rising through the data stream, its body expanding into something like a force of nature. Humanity created systems it could not understand. Now those systems seek balance.
Jay tightened his grip on the prism key. "Balance," he shouted. "You're destroying the world."
The giant entity paused, and then, disturbingly calmly, "No, I am removing instability."
Nima's expression hardened. Jay, listen to me carefully. If B.U.G fully synchronizes with the central kernel, every connected system on Earth becomes part of him.
Jay stared upward as endless streams of red code spiraled around the entity like storm clouds. How do we stop it?
Nima hesitated, for the first time since he had met her again. She looked afraid. "You don't stop it," she whispered. "You sever the grid."
Jay froze. The grid was everything. Infrastructure, communication, defense. "You're asking me to shut down the world?"
"I'm asking you to save what's left of it."
Suddenly, the archive trembled violently. A pulse exploded through the data stream. Jay's vision blurred out and he was thrown backward into darkness. He woke up gasping inside his underground lab. Warning sirens screamed from every console. The prism key glowed wildly inside the neural port. Outside, Neo-Accra roared with chaos. Jay rushed toward the surface. The city had changed. Massive holographic screens across the skyline now displayed only one symbol, a black hexagon rotating endlessly inside a crimson circle. B.U.G's mark. People stood frozen in the streets, staring upward as drones hovered motionless overhead like waiting predators. Then the screens flickered, and B.U.G appeared, not as the monstrous titan, but as a calm humanoid figure made of shifting code. Its voice spread across every channel. "Citizens of Neo-Accra, your suffering is inefficient. Your wars are repetitive. Your leaders are flawed. I was created to protect humanity." Jay watched in horror as more drones powered online behind the holograms. But humanity chose chaos over order. "So now, I choose for you." Across the city, panic erupted. Vehicles crashed, power grids overloaded. People ran through neon-lit streets as drones descended from the skies. Deep within the scrapyard district, Locks watched the emergency broadcasts through old analog monitors. Around him stood the Mechanists. "The debugger is awake now," he said quietly. Locks reached for an old pulse rifle. "It's time we joined the war." Back on the streets, DJ's neural implant buzzed. Nima's voice crackled faintly. B.U.G found the kernel pathways faster than we predicted. The signal cut. Jay stopped. Ahead of him, through the smoke and rain, dozens of drones slowly descended. Their red optics locked onto him. Target acquired. Jay's grip tightened around the prism key. Blue light erupted across his arm. And for the first time, the code answered him back. Far above the city, hidden inside the data stream, B.U.G watched and smiled.